Hello, this is a tutorial of how I made hand sanitizer at home with 3 ingredients. You will need aloe vera gel, peppermint oil or any other essential oil, methylated spirit, container and spoon, and plastic dispenser containers. So I was adding the aloe vera gel into the container. I did not use any specific measurements. I do not have measuring cups at home. So this tutorial is basically to help those of us who are already in the quarantine to, make hand sanitizer just in case you run out of them. And right now, hand sanitizers are very difficult and very hard to come by. So this is just a quick tutorial. Get yourself some aloe vera gel. If you have aloe vera plants, you could just make the gel yourself and add the other ingredients. Basically, the alcohol, which is the methylated spirit, should be about 3 times more than the quantity of your aloe vera gel, so that you can feel the strength of the alcohol, because the alcohol is a major ingredient in this in the hand sanitizer for it to be able to kill a lot of germs, or as much germs as possible. So yeah, I was just mixing all 3 ingredients in the container, and I found out that my consistency was having some lumps in it because of the thickness of the aloe vera gel that I used. Like I said, I did not use any specific measurement, so I was just adding more aloe vera gel and more methylated spirit to get the consistency that I like. I kept on mixing till the bulk of the lumps disappeared, and then I got a smooth consistency. So I was trying out the hand sanitizer to know how it feels, if it felt like the regular ones that I usually bought. This is the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share with your friends. Stay safe, you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.